Hi learners, let us discuss the very important topic today called sand filters. Before talking about the sand filters, we should know what is filtration. Filtration is nothing but a process of removing the colloidal particles, the suspended particles, and also the very important contaminants which is there in the water. See, when you talk about the theory of filtration, which involves the mechanical straining, sedimentation, biological metabolism, and electrolyte changes. And when you uh, going through the size and shape characteristics of filtering media, these are the important the key points which we have to consider. The very important thing is the particle size range, the pore size, the shape of pore, surface area, depth versus the surface filtration, the porosity. So absolutely the pores, the size is very playing a very important role. And also here the material composition, shape of the media, structural integrity. So these are the important factors we have to consider in determining the filtration efficiency, particle retention capabilities, flow rates, and overall performance of a filter. Let us discuss the very important filters called sand filter. See, sand filter is of very important filter when you compare the other filters. See, in sand filter there are many layers of sands have been incorporated. See, for example, you can have coarse sand, fine sand, a powdery sand. So these types of sands have been used to remove the contaminants. This filters especially removes the unpleasant taste and then unpleasant odor. That means there are some contaminants which induces, which creates unpleasant taste and unpleasant odor that will be removed off by using this sand filtration. And here we have slow sand and rapid sand filters. Rapid sand filters where the filters have been designed in such a way that the rapid gravity filters, that means higher filtration rate is happening, and low sand filters means where the filtration rate is slow, right? And here hydraulics is also what the flow, which depends on the flow rate, the pressure drop, uniform distribution, backwashing, the packing and media characteristics, head loss, and then design, everything it involves. And here you can have a look about the sand filter where you can able to see three important the filtering media. At the bottom we have gravel, and above that we have sand, and above that we have anthracite coal. And here the inlet is there where the wastewater flows, and the wastewater flows into troughs, and then it goes to anthracite type coal, and then it goes to sand, it goes to gravel where all the contaminants which is causing unpleasant taste or odor, everything will be removed off. Then the treated water will exit out. So here you can see the slow sand filtration where the wastewater flows slowly into the filtering media, and also the unwanted the water or the contaminants which have been thrown out easily and drained out easily here. And when you have this design aspect which is given in the table, and we have other type of filters also. And before talking about other type of filters, we have a comparison here between slow sand filter and rapid sand filter. Here the rate of filter is 100 to 150 lph, and here 80 to 100 lpm, and the area requirement high here, and here 20% of SSF considering pre-treatment units. And here loss of weight is 1 to 1.5, and there 2.5 to 3 m. And here we are going to use fine sand, and here coarse sand, and low this is high and cleaning section here. Pre-treatment not required, but here in rapid sand filter it is required. Post treatment not required, needs disinfection. And removal of color and taste not effective, and here it is very effective in sand rapid sand filtration method. And bacterial purification, It completely eliminates pathogens and here not effective, and post disinfection is required. And when you have other type of filters, we have pressure filters, dual filter, media filters, declined rate filtration, upflow filters, radial flow filters, valveless automatic gravity filters are also present. Thank you.